Have you ever watched your children sleep and felt a pang of worry about their future? The question we avoid asking ourselves often lingers late at night. What would happen to their dreams if you weren't there tomorrow? Would they still walk into that dream college with pride? Would your spouse continue to live the life you've built together? Or would your absence leave them struggling, forced to compromise on everything you've worked tirelessly to provide? Hi, I'm Jiten Modi, and for over 2 decades as a personal finance strategist, I've had the privilege of helping families secure their futures. I've witnessed the profound relief of those protected by term insurance and, unfortunately, the devastating struggles of families who thought it won't happen to us. What keeps me up at night isn't just the financial challenges these families face, it's knowing how easily their futures could have been safeguarded with one simple decision. When we think about what makes a house stand strong through storms, it's not the beautiful walls or the elegant roof. It's the foundation that holds everything together. Term insurance plays the same role in your financial life. Without this unseen yet critical foundation, even the strongest financial plans can collapse when life takes an unexpected turn. Let me share a story that haunts me to this day. Last year, Priya sat in my office, her eyes red from crying. Her husband had passed away suddenly at just 35. They had everything: a solid investment portfolio, property, even gold. But they had postponed buying term insurance. "We thought we were too young to need it," she said, her voice trembling. Within months, she was forced to sell their home to pay for their children's education. Her husband's hard work, their shared dreams, and her children's stability, all at risk because of one delayed decision. Now let's imagine a different ending to Priya's story. For just Rs 2,500 a month, less than the cost of a few coffee shop visits, her husband could have secured Rs 2.8 crores for their family. That simple choice could have meant stability, opportunity, and a continuation of their dreams, even in his absence. This isn't just an isolated story. Let me tell you about Rahul, a successful IT professional. When I first met him, he proudly told me about his Rs 50 lakh investment portfolio. "I don't need term insurance," he said confidently. But then I asked him one question. "If something happened to you tomorrow, would Rs 50 lakhs be enough for your family for the next 20 years? We sat down and did the math. His family needed Rs 2 crores just to cover basic living expenses for 2 decades. Add to that Rs 50 lakhs for his children's education and Rs 30 lakhs for outstanding loans. Suddenly, that impressive portfolio wasn't even close to what his family would need. Yet with term insurance, for just Rs 2,500 a month, he could secure Rs 2.8 crores, creating immediate protection for his family. Here's the truth. No other financial tool can do what term insurance does. It's the only instrument that can create an estate worth crores with just a small monthly premium. Investments take years to grow, property takes time to liquidate, and gold might not fetch the right value in emergencies. Term insurance, however, creates instant security. It's like having a financial safety net that springs into action exactly when your family needs it most. Think of term insurance as a love letter to your family. It's not about death, it's about life. It's about saying, no matter what happens, your dreams will not stop. For less than a day's salary each month, you can protect your family for an entire month. That's the power of term insurance. But what breaks my heart is seeing families delay this decision. Some think they're too young. Here's the reality. The younger you are, the lower your premiums. Buying term insurance in your 30s costs half of what it might in your 40s. Waiting only increases the burden on your future self and on your family. Others say, "I have investments and property." Yes, these are valuable. But imagine your grieving spouse having to sell property or wait for investments to mature while facing mounting bills. Term insurance provides immediate support, sparing your family from making difficult decisions in an already painful time. Then there are those who rely on corporate insurance. That's like building your house on rented land. Your coverage ends the moment you leave your job or retire, exactly when you might need it most. Corporate insurance is often inadequate, and it isn't a substitute for a personal term insurance plan. Now, let me tell you how these decisions change lives. Remember Rahul? 2 months after buying his policy, he called me. "I finally feel at peace," he said. "Knowing my family is protected gives me the confidence to take risks, start new ventures, and live my life fully." That's the power of term insurance. It doesn't just protect, it frees you to live without fear. Through the link in the description below, you can book a free clarity session with me. Together, we'll calculate your family's exact protection needs and find the perfect term insurance plan that ensures their dreams don't depend on your presence. Term insurance isn't an expense, it's an investment in peace of mind. It's an unspoken promise that your family's future will remain secure no matter what life throws at you. Let's make that promise together. Your family deserves the confidence that comes with knowing their dreams will continue and their future will remain bright. Let's secure that future today.